Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Chef Food channel. Viewers, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make chocolate chip cookies, as you can see. So from the very first step, I am adding fine flour by sieving it, and the quantity of fine flour is 350 grams. Inside this, I am adding cocoa powder 35 gram, 10% of the fine flour, and also the baking powder 4 to 5 grams. Okay, it is added. Now I am going to sieve it so that it could be mixed very well. I will sieve it 3 times for the best mixing purpose, as you can see. So viewers, still we are mixing it. Let me tell you that this chocolate chip cookie recipe is very amazing recipe. Watch it till end without skipping, because skipping could make your loss of any ingredient. Okay, and now we are going to do it for second time. I'm speeding up my video so that you guys don't get bored. So viewers, if you have not subscribed Chef Food channel yet, please subscribe my channel. It's totally free, and also hit the bell icon so that my every video notification comes first to you. So we are saving it third time in this way. So guys, like my video, like my recipe, like my effort, it would motivate me. So viewers, it has been sieved 3 times. Now I am adding powdered sugar 200 grams in a separate bowl, adding butter about 250 grams. So it is going to be added like this, and then I will beat it. It will make some fluffy, powdery atmosphere like this. And now we are adding 2 eggs, one by one, beating it continuously like this. And then after some time I will add my second egg. This chocolate chip cookie recipe is super amazing recipe, and you guys don't have to miss it. This is easy recipe and you can make it at home very easily. So guys, if you guys like my recipe, like my video, like my effort, kindly like my video, also share it with your friends, and also tell me in the comment section how was my video and have you tried this, and what should be my next recipe video. You can tell me, you can inform me what should be made in my next video. So I hope you guys enjoying it. Keep supporting. Thank you for your support. I would just love your support, and thank you so much for being with us with Chef Food like this. It has been mixed. Now I'm adding the dried batter that includes fine flour. Okay, one point here I want to tell you, it is mixed with soft hands, and the dried batter is added in very small quantity so that clumps are not made it over here. So small amount of dried batter that includes fine flour, cocoa powder, and baking powder, and all the 3 ingredients are sieved 3 times, and then it is added thoroughly in this egg batter, egg butter and powdered sugar batter, and also mix it with soft hand so that it could be make very fluffy, very soft. Otherwise clumps are made and the final product is not according to our desire, and you can say, then we will say what is the reason behind this not baking very good. So keep adding small quantity Viewers, I want to tell you one thing, that I have not skipped any part. I have just speed up the process, as the video contains about 20 minutes, but I have done it in 10 minutes. I hope you guys like it. Other YouTubers, like other persons who give you the recipe of chocolate chip cookie or any other recipe, speeding up the process may cut any of the important procedure that the viewers don't have to skip, but due to small video they have been skipped, and that is why when the viewers make it at home, the product is not like as it was prepared in the video. So I hope you guys are liking it. Adding it side by side and mixing it with very soft hand, it was super yummy. In this stage it was having a sweet smell that I want to eat it unbaked. Chef Food channel includes all type of recipes: Chinese cuisine, continental, Pakistani, Indians, and Italian. All type of recipes are prepared over here. So if you have not subscribed Chef Food channel, kindly subscribe my channel. And now I am preparing my second channel, that names Fashion Box. You can see in my channel. So keep supporting me and also subscribe to Fashion Box channel. So I'm mixing it with the speed. I'm tired now. Look, this is the way it was prepared. It was semi-solid type. Okay. After that, now it is well mixed. And now I'm adding chocolate chip, 350 grams. Chocolate chip cookies contain chocolate chip inside it. So after mixing, I'm adding chocolate chip, 350 grams. Now mixing it again. Mix it very well. It does not require so much effort as like this. Mixed very early. Okay, now I'm going to prepare it and making cookie of 22 grams, or you can say 0.02 kg. Now grease the baking tray, otherwise the cookies will stuck to the base of this baking tray. That is why we grease it. Now it is greased well. Now I'm making 22 gram cookie of chocolate chip biscuit, like this, and make sure there is enough space to make them fluffy, to make them bake. Otherwise they will get stuck into each other. The final shape would be scary. Doing this like this, we will make all the cookies. You can make a lot of cookies from this mixture. 12 to 15 cookies on one tray. Now bake it. at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes, and results are